Hi, this is Will from Race Dyno Tuning. Done this video to show you how to program the immobilizer on a Honda Civic Type R with a Hondata ECU. Now, you're going to need an Autel scan tool to do this, a computer with Hondata if you've got a Hondata app and you're trying to link it up at the same time. And I'll show you how to enable the immobilizer in the software and also how to link it up with the car so it all works and functions. What this is going to do is it's going to get rid of the little green key light that's continually flashing when your ignition's on. If that's flashing all the time when your car's on, it means that your immobilizer is just flat out not working. So this is how to get it working.
Right, so here's a quick video for you. We've got EP3, the immobilizer light's flashing. Start the car, the immobilizer light continues to flash. Turning the car off. Now we're going to link this together, so we're going to turn the car on. If you've just got a normal EP3 and you've had a different ECU in it but it works, use the scan tool. So we're going to go, this one's got a Hondata system on it, so we need to enable immobilizer first. That's in the miscellaneous section on the K-Pro app for the Hondata system. So we're going to enable that, do the update. Now that's updated. If we try and start it, she won't start. It's immobilized. So here we are in the tool, we're in immobilizer. The immobilizer setup, special function, and then replace ECM. Yep. Okay. Establishing vehicle communication. The registration of immobilizer codes into the immobilizer unit has been completed. Turn the ignition switch off. Check all keys to ensure each will start the engine. So what we're going to do now, turn the ignition switch on. So at the minute we've got the key off. I'm going to turn the key on. See the light comes up for a second and goes off. It asks if we're with a keyless access system. No, that should be done. So when we turn the key on to start, the car starts. No immobilizer light. Turn the car off, the immobilizer's back on.
As always, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you've got any questions or you want me to do any other specific tech videos I can put on here, just put it in the comments and tell me what you want.